Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Wangwe Gashigi, and in today's video I will be making shepherd's pie. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So as you have seen, I have added 2 tablespoons of oil and I've added 1 kilogram of beef mince. At this point I realized that my pan was too hot, but then again I had to go with it. And then I added 2 of my favorite spices, 1 teaspoon of paprika and 1 teaspoon of cumin. I mixed all them up together and then let them cook for a little bit. And then after that I'll be adding my onions. That there were 3 finely minced onions, 1 hipful of garlic and ginger paste. Give them a stir and let them cook a little bit. I added my tomato paste. I realized later on that was little. It was a whole sachet, that's 70 grams. So I went ahead and added another one, gave it a good mix, and then I added my beef stock. I finally used the whole of it, but as you can see now I let it cook a little bit, and then later on I added the whole stock. Give it a good stir, added my mixed vegetables. Go ahead and subscribe, like, share, and comment down below which other creations you'd like me to do. And in my mixed vegetables, there were sweet corn, peas, there's some green, what are they called? French beans, and some very tiny pieces of potatoes. I went ahead and added my Worcestershire sauce or Worcestershire sauce. I say Worcestershire sauce. Gave it a good stir, and on the back stove I was boiling my potatoes. Inside there it was just salt. I added nothing else, it was just salt. So that one is almost done, and then I had to mix this up, and it was well cooked at the time. Okay, so for my potatoes I added not garlic but black pepper, butter, and a splash of milk. But you can substitute the milk for cream if you have cream. I didn't have it on hand, and so I used my milk. I mashed it together, prepared it on my baking tray. I layered my beef mince and all its mixtures, and then I topped it off with my mashed potatoes, grated some cheese on top of it. Ideally you would use Parmesan cheese, but I used cheddar cheese. That's what I had on hand, and yeah, it turned out great. I went ahead and baked it for 40 minutes on 170-degree oven that has been preheated. I didn't cover it with foil. You can if you want. I didn't. I just wanted it to be caramelized on top. And then yeah, once it's done, I let it cool a little bit and then cut a slice for myself and had it for dinner. Yeah, usually when I cook a huge meal like this, it's usually for the whole week. Try it and let me know how it turns out. Thanks for watching.